Hey, well, so I've got this old Panasonic bread maker or bread machine, whichever you prefer to call it, like the SD206. I actually got it free on Facebook. It's like 25 years old, I guess. I got the manual and everything, but it doesn't say anything about how to reset once it's in motion. So when it's here, right, you do all this stuff, nothing happens, and then you press the start stop, long press, it just comes off and on, and it's locked in. And it's just really been throwing me for ages. Um, Even like people say turn off for 15 minutes, come back on, it's still there. So the way to actually do it is long press or press on that, and then you just go straight into the menu button to power it up. That was driving me nuts because it's such an old machine, nobody has a guide on it. So I hope you find that useful, and then you can select the one you want. Okay, so check out these videos here for more on the channel, and like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll see you there soon. Thank you for watching. Cheers.